Hi guys, and welcome to the mess on my desk. So I have a warehouse sale starting in 2 days. So I thought it'd be a good idea to hop onto YouTube and Instagram and just kind of give you like an overview of what the warehouse sale is, what kinds of things that you can find in there so that you know if you want to hop in there and pick some stuff up. This weekend is the time to do it. The sale will run Friday through Sunday. And hopefully I'll get rid of everything. If not, then I'll save it for the next 6-month sale. So the way I've been trying to keep stock, most of this stuff is going to be subscription Overstock. Some of it will be like the grab bags could be a variety of things from subscription Overstock to Overstock in kits to extra things like there's washi cutters in here. There's some miscut vinyls, all kinds of stuff. So the grab bags that you'll find also in the warehouse sale are kind of a mix of things. And you'll see in the description what kinds of things you can expect to find in these. So you have those. Washi tape, all of the washi tape from the first quarter is up. Some of them have limited stock. Some of them have a little bit more. It just depends on what it is. But you'll find all of the washi tape from all of the first quarter subscriptions are up there. So if you've been kind of hanging out and waiting for these, or if you weren't able to get some of the washi tape from subscriptions, say if you were subscribed to a Weeks or a Hobo Cousin, you obviously didn't get the washi from like the standard vertical or the journal or whatever. So this is your time to pick all of those up. And since these are all in the warehouse section's already discounted. There won't be any further like discount codes or anything that you need for that. But what I am going to also do, just to make life easier for everybody, if you want to pick up any of the things that go with this, the rest of the shop will be 25% off. So this stuff's already discounted in the price. The rest of the shop will be 25% off. I hope that makes sense. So if there, like I said, if there's anything that matches any of the stuff that's in the warehouse sale that you want to pick up kit wise, will be a good time to pick them up because you'll have them all together at the same time. So washi tape, talked about that. Now, as far as like the journals are concerned, some journals, there are very limited stock. Some journals, there are a lot more stock, not this one. Some there's a lot more, like, trying to think of like World Traveler, there's quite a few. There's a few herbologies. When I started to increase the journaling stock, I didn't take into account that I needed to increase the washi tape stock. So I have leftover journals, but not whole journaling kits. So you'll find journals in there. Like I said, some of them are very, very limited, these, and some of them have a lot more. So depending on how badly you want the journals, I would suggest hitting the store early so that you can see what's available and then moving on from there. And then we have extras that are like full on subscription extras. So, and these are super, super limited stock. I only have a couple of each. So there are a few, I'm just give you like a few little examples here, but there's a few more like Moshi villages in there, stuff like that. So there's also a couple of cousin kits, a couple of Weeks kits. It just depends on the artwork and if I had any leftovers. So anyway, that's all I think I needed to cover. Oh, there's also one more thing. There's a last chance section, which there's only like 20 things in there, but it's all stuff that's going away permanently. So if there's something in there that you absolutely want, now is the time to pick that up as well. And it will also be 25% off. So anyway, just letting you know, this is all starting in just 2 days. So I wanted to make sure that I got this video up and out for you so that you could make your plans for the weekend. It will run Friday through Sunday. Everything in the warehouse section is already discounted. Everything in the shop, other than the warehouse section, will be 25% off. And yep, I think that's pretty much everything I needed to tell you about. Hopefully I got this all covered. If not, you have any questions, leave them down below, or you can message me and I'll let you know whatever kinds of things that I left out, because I probably left out a lot. Anyway, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.